We combine Chinese components to make new characters. Let me show you how one word combined with 3 radicals transforms into 3 characters. 每 means each or every. I'll combine 每 with 3 Chinese radicals. They are 水 water, 木 tree, and 草 grass. 水 water and 木 tree will be on the left side while 草 grass will be on the top. 海 means sea or ocean. It's the left 水 water and the right 美 each. 3 examples. 海水 is sea water. The original form of 水 is the right Chinese character. When 水 as a Chinese radical combined with other characters to make a new one, 水 transforms into 3 dots. 水 海 means sea and 洋 means ocean. When 海洋 together, it indicates the ocean in general. 海浪 means sea waves. 浪 alone means wave. 梅 means plum. It's the left 木 tree and the right 梅 each. 梅 plums grow on trees, so the radical is 木 tree. 2 examples. 梅子 is a plum. I explained 子 in another video. I leave the link in the description. 梅树 indicates plum trees. 树 means trees, and the Chinese radical is also the left 木 tree. 梅 means berry. It's the top 草 grass and the bottom 梅 each. Compared to 梅 plums that grows on trees, 梅 berries are lower, and the Chinese radical is 草 grass. 梅 plums and 梅 berries share the same pronunciation. 2 examples. 蓝莓 is blueberry. The original meaning of 蓝 is an indigo plant, and the plant relates to the Chinese radical 草 grass. 草莓 means strawberry. 草 is grass, and grassberry is 草莓. I'll introduce you to more Chinese radicals and characters. If you find it informative, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.